Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your OPPO A53 2020, at first you have to open your clock. Then we have to click on this marker in the right upper corner. At the first we can set the hour. We can also customize our ringtone and set the repeat. Let's go for every Sunday. Let's name our alarm. And here we can go for the more options. When we are able to adjust vibration and also ringtone and snooze. To save, you have to click on the right upper corner, and here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.